Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie. I am Annie, your host. Remember, each week I receive a mystery product in this bag that I need to figure out how to use at my home. And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects. Let's see what's in the bag this week. This is clearly not paint. This is definitely going to be a unique challenge this week, but you know what? I'm up for it. Let's take a look and see how much of this canvas drop cloth I really have. I know what I can use. I have this fabric paint that would be perfect on this canvas drop cloth. I need a table runner for my Thanksgiving dinner. I can cut this down into a strip, use this fabric paint, and stencil maybe Thanksgiving or I'm thankful for this year. I have the perfect stencils. I think I can make this work. This was a challenging project. It's gonna look good. Everyone's gonna love my Thanksgiving table runner. By cutting my table runner around 15 to 17 inches wide. I have these stencils that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the word thankful on one side of this table runner, and then I'm going to use the word grateful on the other side. I'm going to start by laying out all of these letters to spell out the word, and then I'm going to put tape on them so they don't move when I spray paint it. I'm going to use a little bit of paper to avoid any overspray. I have the door propped open because I am using a spray paint. This spray paint is great because you can put it on fabrics or any other materials and it dries within 30 minutes. But don't wash it for 3 days if you're using this. The best part of this fabric spray paint is it doesn't require any type of heat. All you have to do is spray it on the fabric. Perfect. Now we have to wait 30 minutes before this is dry, which is just enough time for me to grab a cup of coffee and then come back and we'll finish our table runner. I'm back and it looks like it's dry. So let's remove the stencil. Well, this turned out perfect. As you can see, I even had enough leftover drop cloth to make these canvas napkins. The mason jar pumpkin and canning lid nameplates from a previous episode work just perfectly here. Just like Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for leftovers. That table runner with my mason jar lid pumpkin made my table look perfect for Thanksgiving. If you want to see that mason jar pumpkin, stick around. It's at the end of this video. And as always, if you do this project at home, I'd like to see it. So use the hashtag #HelpfulPlace. See you next week for some more Leftovers with Annie.